close till I get up. Time. Hold me close.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Yeah, so today we'll chit chat whilst I make my Zobo drink. Yeah, hibiscus flower. You're going to see everything. Like by now you must have seen the market vlog, how much it is, how much I bought, the ginger, the pineapple, everything I bought. Basically this is less than 1,000. I'm going to put the prices in the screen in dollars, you know. So I'm going to read out the health benefit of. Before now I didn't even know the health benefit because the way it was, it's just so red. I didn't know it does have nice wonderful health benefit. Let me read it out to you. One, it manages blood pressure, lower cholesterol, protects liver, oh my god, contain anti-cancer properties, bacteria agent, works as an antibacterial agent, relieve menstrual pain. Oh my god, really? The screen so you guys can see. So this is not a talk, this is like chit chat whilst I'm in the kitchen making this Zobo with me. So yeah, very cheap, affordable. You guys, if you're a family person, you need to be doing this for your children. Children like it so much, especially with puff puff. But making this night, I can't make puff puff because I had a whole lot of video I made already. Yeah, so watch me while I make Zobo in my kitchen. Okay, this is the amount of the hibiscus flower I have. I'm going to just take out some dirt from it, like you see. So I'm going to take out some dirt before I start washing. And this is sugar. It depends, because this flavor alone contains a whole lot of sugar, so it depends. After adding this flavor, if you want to add some sugar, then you must have is this, your ginger, very important, and of course your pineapple. So yeah, let's get started immediately and start washing. So I've taken off the dirt now, so just run water to it and just wash. When you start washing, you even see the hibiscus flower has this red, very reddish, but you see a whole lot of reddish things inside. Most times I even feel the whole reddish thing is even going off already. Leave in the comment section if you have done Zobo before in your house, and which one do you prefer between Zobo, Kunu and tiger nut. I do all of that in my house. I think I'm going to also show the process of how I make Kunu and my tiger nut. Tiger nut is basically it's really easy to make. Just after washing them, then you just pour it in the pot, inside the pot.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna.
Another secret of this is you are putting the bag here, of course. Then don't put this immediately. Do you understand? Don't put it immediately. Wait for this Zobo, because you're cooking this Zobo for more than 1 hour. Yes, you're cooking it for more than 1 hour. Because if you cook it less than, my dear, hey, my dear, the story, you might be in the toilet all through. You might be in the toilet all through that day. So the best bet is cook it for 1 hour above, depending on the quantity that you bought. Pineapple, leave it, don't put it inside now, leave it for after 30 minutes, so the flavor will be if you cook it for that long, the flavor will just go off immediately. So just leave it. After slicing, it's just, so I'm going to keep this. I bought the hibiscus flower I bought is just 300 naira on, and this one is 150. I'm going to show you the price, so I'm just going to put everything, because everybody in my house does not like, oh, I might just keep some to just garnish my, I'll just keep some to just garnish my Zobo once I'm done. You're going to see that. So I'm going to set this aside right now, waiting for this to cook for 45 minutes. So I just added my pineapple, like I told you. So I've been cooking it for 30 minutes. Added the pineapple, so I'm going to just chop this. You know, the back has a whole lot of benefits, you guys. For those of you that has for those of you that really like peppery thing, you can add 2 of these, but I'm just going to chop this. Or if you can actually pound it. If you want to, you can pound it too. You understand? I might probably just pound this, but let me just do it this way. You understand? So you can pound it if you want, or you just mash it this way. You know, it can be it can be a little bit hard, so just mash it a bit, so you know, so you can soak well. Remember, the back of the ginger has a whole lot of health benefits. I'm going to leave it in the screen, so there's no point. Just wash it properly. You know, you can just wash it properly before mashing it like this or pounding it. Guys, it's going to be chit chat and making my zobo in my kitchen. Yeah, so how have you guys been? For those people that are not in Nigerian, people, I have a lot of people who watch me that are not in Nigeria. You guys are amazing. How have you been? How is the whole pandemic in your city, in your town, in your country? Is everything easy up? I just heard that Malaysia is imposing 3 months lockdown. For those of you in Malaysia, how are you coping with the new recent happenings? And I'm really hoping and praying for the best. Like 2020 is not yet over, you guys. There is a whole lot of things that God has in store for us this year, so just keep faith alive. Keep faith over fear. I know we have a whole lot of expectation this year. We have those dreams written down, those desires, those travel. I promised my son a trip to Kenya this year, and you imagine what's happening. And he keeps asking me, "Mommy, when are we going to see lion, leopard, zebra?" He really likes animal. Caris really likes animal. But you know, but we are here and we are alive. We're breathing. We're just thankful to God for what God has done so far. Aside the all recent happening, God has been amazing. You can agree with me, right? God has been amazing. So whilst you're waiting for our zobo, I decided to just chit chat and just encourage someone watching my video right now. Be encouraged in the Lord. Your miracle is on the way. 2020 is not yet over. Okay, so this was cooked for about an hour 30 minutes. So I'm going to add this flavor to it. Yeah, is it very focused? Yeah, I'm going to add this to it. Of sugar, so by the time you add it to it, you might probably not need to even add sugar. But if you have children that like sugar, you know, children like sugar. See, I don't even need to add sugar. The sugar content is enough. You guys, this thing is so healthy.
To add this, it's better to add this. Okay, you know I've cut it up already. It's better to add this when it's done cooking. So you just add it up, and it's better to add it when you're done cooking, because cooking this flavor with your 1 hour 30 minutes to just make the flavor evaporate. You understand? I don't know.
Drink. Ooh, I just had this it, and this, it gives you this lovely scent flavor of pineapple. They are the most healthiest drink ever. Like my husband, my kids like those drinks so much. Hey guys, so I'm done with my zobo. It took me just 1 hour 30 minutes to achieve this most healthy, most yummiest, most fastest we like all the fastest boys vlog. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Uche Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video if you can. This is not like the proper just recipe. I had to just chit chat with you once in the kitchen making this video. That's how much I love you guys seeing my face. Okay, so much for your time, and just use this recipe and make your own zobo and tell me the outcome. Okay, leave all your comments in the comment section. Come your way next time. I met your girl Uche Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigerian. God bless you all, and bye bye.